Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to install and set up the Ominsend workflow actions just so you can have interactions like creating contacts on your Ominsend or updating contacts on Ominsend and other actions right from your workflows. So how do you get this connected? This is what we are going to show you. So basically you start from connecting to your GHL Plugins account. While in there, you can go to workflow apps. In the workflow apps now, you can search for Ominsend. Under the available apps, you search for Ominsend and you click on that. It's going to let you install the app on your agency. So it's going to pop up. If your agency is not connected yet, it's going to let you sign into your agency. When you sign in, you can select the agency, you allow access, you enable the checkboxes, then you click on proceed. That is automatically going to install Omniscient workflow app action on your agency. So now, how do we proceed from here? In order to connect the app, because we've done the installation, we need now to connect Omniscient app and there is a few steps that we have to follow. In order to do that, if you've done this before, you just need to switch to that sub account in which you want to work with that action and you go to the custom menu link you added. If you're new, if this is the first app you're installing from workflow apps, then you need to copy the custom menu link and go to your agency and create a custom menu link from which you will be accessing your different and various apps. So you switch to agency view, you go to settings, go to custom menu link, you can create here. Here you're going to select an icon that will represent your menu link that you're adding. So you can select your icon of choice, you put in the name of your custom menu link, then you paste in the link that you've copied from your GHL plugin. Now you set up the various standards that you want to your preference and you save. When that is saved, you need to switch to that sub account where you want to use the actions and make sure that the sub account you're switching to has been added to the custom menu link you just created. Just so you can find the custom menu link in that sub account. When it opens, you're going to see Omniscient that we just installed pop up. So I have connected already. It's not going to be under available again because I've connected. So it's not just installed but connected. But for you, you're going to search under available apps. I am searching under connected apps. I'm going to search for Omniscient. Now, when you click here, in order to connect your app, you need to click on it. Then it's going to require you putting the API key from Omniscient. How do you get your API key from Omniscient? This is how you get it. You log into your Omniscient account and you click simply on the drop down of your profile and you go to store settings. Under store settings, you scroll down to API keys, open the API key and you can create. If you had your API key saved somewhere you can use, can't, you can create one. So I'm creating an API key. That is it. Copy the API key and come back here and I'm going to paste. When you paste, you submit and your connection is done. Everything has been set up correctly. Now you can go ahead and start using your workflow action. How do you use them? You can use them as every other standard action that you have in this sub account. So you just need to add action and you scroll down and search for, this is it, Omniscient service. So I have update contact and create contact. Those are the two basic actions that we have for the moment. With time we're developing more actions just to expose the service better to you. And so this is how the installation and setup are done. And if you have any issue while using maybe the steps or actions or setting up any stuff, then please you can get back to us and we can schedule a call with you or have another way to communicate in order to make things right. Thank you very much.